Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps dropping in 2026. So if your connection keeps cutting out while browsing, streaming, or working, these steps will help you stay connected reliably. First, restart your router and the device you're using. Yeah, turn off the router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your laptop, phone, or tablet to refresh the connection. Next, make sure your router is in a central location, away from walls, metal objects, and electronic interference. Poor placement often causes the Wi-Fi to drop intermittently. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. I mean, outdated firmware can cause instability, so log into your router's admin page and check for updates. For laptops or PCs, update your Wi-Fi network drivers. Yeah, go to Device Manager, find your network adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver to fix connectivity issues. If interference is the problem, try changing your Wi-Fi channel or switching to the 5 gigahertz band. This reduces interference from other networks or devices nearby. Disconnect unused devices and pause heavy downloads. I mean, too many active devices can make your Wi-Fi drop frequently. And that's it. Following these steps should stop your Wi-Fi from dropping randomly. Yeah. Enjoy a stable connection for work, streaming, or gaming. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Hey everyone.